How to install the plug-in power supply version of EASYKit. Connection, assembly and mounting of the outdoor unit. Mount the rain shield on the wall at a recommended height between 135 and 165 centimeters using the provided screws and dowels. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. Use the provided security key to open the entrance panel. Remove the lower cover to allow access to the fixing screw. Remove the connector block for easier termination. Terminate the wires to D1 and D2. The other end of these wires terminates to the monitor on connections D1 and D2. Both ends must correspond. Consult the provided wiring schematic for more information. Plug the terminated connector block back into the entrance panel. Hang the top of the entrance panel onto the hooks in the rain shield. Use the provided M2.5 Torx screw to fix the entrance panel to the rain shield. Replace the fixing screw cover using the security key and screws. The monitor mounts to the wall using a metal bracket. Fix the mounting bracket to the wall using the provided screws and dowels. Mount the monitor at a recommended height of 160 centimeters. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. When using cable conduits, use the provided power supply extension pieces to extend the cable and allow easier cabling through pipes. Ensure correct polarity is maintained when using the extension pieces. The red wire of the socket must connect to the black wire of the male plug, and the black wire of the socket must connect to the black and white wire of the plug. Details of this connection are shown on page 4 of the manual. All EASYKit monitors install in the same way. The 2-wire cable terminates to the D1 and D2 connection plug. Insert the power plug into the socket marked Power In. Hook the monitor onto the wall mounting plate. Use the Auto Power On feature to test the monitor after powering on the system.